Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we're going to be trying some breakfast. Like it's kind of 11:30, like we haven't had that heavy breakfast, so we are here to try out like a very good croissant place. So they do crazy kind of stuff within croissants, like with lobster, with cheese, with chocolate, and the place is called, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, Hokkaido. So the place is called Hokkaido. We're gonna be trying out some croissants and I'm gonna be sharing that with you. Like they have vast, like a lot of variety like in the croissants. So let's start the video and let's see what kind of croissants we're getting today. Hi, how are you?
So we have two promotion going on. One is buy 5 and get 1 for free, and then another one is buy 6 and I get 1 free drink tax
All right.
free.
Hi guys, we have got our croissants. So the flavor which we were looking for, they haven't still made it. So, but we still got some of the one of the savory ones and other than the sweet ones. So really excited. Let's go to the car and try them out. On our way, I saw this really famous cart. So we might also get some food from there. Get one rice cake.
Spicy what to get?
Spicy.
Yeah.
All right guys, so we are back in the car. So we got this amazing looking Korean seafood ball with the spicy sauce. There's obviously like pork and other stuff which you can't eat, but all the veggie stuff, they mentioned it, and here they make sure that it's cooked on the separate one. I asked, so here it is. So this is the spicy rice cake, the chewy one. We love this. So I'm gonna give it a go. Let's try this. It's so good. The texture is like so chewy, crunchy, right in your mouth, and the spicy sauce is right on point. So it's not like super hot. It's really crunchy and really good. The next one would be the video, like this would be the seafood ball, and it's with the same as spicy. There were two options to get it with the teriyaki sauce and the spicy sauce. I got the spicy sauce. So so good, but still I would recommend to get this. Kim's Cart is the name, and they are like a family run business. So super amazing cart and super amazing food. Another thing they do is, which you all know, like it's this is a waffle, the custard in a Korean way. It's really famous in all the Korean marts and we love it. My kids love it. It comes in two flavors. One is red bean and another is custard. I have never tried the red bean. So really good Korean, like cheap eat, and like, you know, a cart food is so good for the cart food, a quick takeout. So so good. What is this? It's the waffle of like above. It's so crunchy, so creamy, and the custard inside is so on point. So this was introduced new. It's tutti nutty latte, and it's really good. It's kind of a sweet on the texture, but sometimes like you want something sweet. So here you can see like it's basically two savory one is garlic butter. So I'm gonna be, and then one is this is the golden cheese. This is the garlic butter one. Really good, really nice smell. Then there is the custard one, then there is a caramel one, and then there is the lemon lemon margarine. I might not be pronouncing it right, but this is it. So I'm gonna be trying like savory one first. So garlic butter. So oh my god, croissant is so light, so flaky, and the garlic topping so good. Like, look at the croissant, it's so soft and so flaky, I can't even tell you. So really good. Topping is so on point. Next, let me try another golden cheese. So let's give it a go. As you can see, there is cheese on the top melted, and then there is cheese inside the layer. It's okay if you like cheese, like, it's so good. But the quality of croissants are really, really good. It's not like the ordinary croissant, like they have put in work, so it's really soft and really flaky. The next one, I know that the hazelnut and the chocolate, my kid would love it. I'm gonna be saving that for him. So I'm gonna be trying the lemon one. Nobody likes lemon as a dessert in my house, so I would be giving it a go. You can see, you know, when we got this lemon biscuits, like the lemon sandwiches, they're inside the same. So let me just give it a go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The topping is seriously out of the world. Best croissants in Toronto right now, what I've tried. Look at how flaky it is, and it's so soft at the same time. Sometimes when it's so soft, like, it's not flaky, but they have nailed it. Oh my god. Everything at the cart was selling it fresh, and the street food, and these croissants are like so good. I really wanted to do just this breakfast croissant video, and the bonus point was like that we find that hot Korean food, like a takeout, the cart. So guys, please, if you're in Toronto, coming to Toronto, do try this. And if not, you get to experience all of this flavor. That's the beauty of Canada, the Toronto and the GTA, like how the cultures have embraced everything, and then the food around. You can find literally any food in Toronto, so that's the beauty of it. And we want to explore in those flavors even without going to Japan or without going to Caribbeans. Like, you can get those flavors here because people have been living here for so long, all of that community. And that's the saying that like the video, subscribe the video. We put in a lot of work to bring it to all to you guys, this kind of a food. So until next video, guys, goodbye.